Here, in this case, let 1,000 patients currently suffering from a disease were selected to study the effectiveness of treatment of 4 types of medicines A, B, C, and D. These patients were first randomly assigned into 2 groups of equal size called treatment group and control group. So, out of these 1,500 in treatment group and 500 in control group, the patients in the control group were not treated with any of these medicines. Instead, they were given a dummy medicine called placebo containing only sugar and starch, right? The following information is known about the patients in the treatment group. तो जो treatment group वाले 500 patients हैं उनकी ये information दी है, right? ठीक है, and all the questions consist of these medicines only A, B, C, D. तो वो treatment group के ही questions है, right? तो we no need to do anything of for control group. Now by looking into the condition, it seems like a total of 250 patients were treated with type A medicine, total of this type C, this A only. It seems a question of set theory and will make a diagram of 4 sets. So 4 sets are there, A, B, C and D, and universal set of this is treatment group, which is 500, and these are the 4 sets, A, B, C and D. Right, now we'll represent the conditions. A total of 250 patients were treated with type A medicine. So A total is 250 and a total of 210 patients were treated with type C medicine. So C total is 210. 25 patients were treated with type A medicine only. So type A medicine 25. 20 patients were treated with type C medicine only. 20 patients are treated with type C medicines only. So this we have represented. Now 10 patients were treated with type D medicine only. So only D, first of D is 10. 35 patients were treated with type A and type D medicines only. So words are very important here, only is very important. The second of A and D is 35. Second of A and D. B or C nahi hona chahiye because only is there. So this 35. 20 patients were treated with type A and B medicines only. A and B only is 20. 30 patients were treated with type A and C medicines only. A and C only 30, so this. 20 patients were treated with type C and D medicines only. 20 patients with C and D only. Again only is there, the second of C and D, so this 20. 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicines, right? So third region total is 100, right? Third region means this plus this plus this plus this. 40 patients were treated with medicines of types A, B and C but not with medicine of type D. The third region of ABC is 40. Third region of ABC is 40. D should not be there, which is this. 20 patients were treated with medicines of types A, C and D but not with medicines of type B. A, C and D but not with medicines of type B. B नहीं चाहिए, right? तो A, C, D का third region which is 20, right? So 20 will be this. Now 20 patients were treated, which is done, right? But not B. Yes. 50 patients were given all the 4 types of medicines. The fourth region is 50, जिसमें ABA, BBA, CBA and DBA. 75 patients were treated with exactly 1 type of medicine, means only A, only B, only C, only D. First region is 75. So we already have 325 plus 20 plus 10, so 30, 55, total 75. So first of B, this will be 20. Right. So we are done with the conditions. What is asked? How many patients were treated with medicine of type B? Right. So question number 21, we need to find complete B. The number of patients who were treated with medicines type B, C, D but not A. Third region of B, C and D. What we need to find for question number 22? B, C and D, third region. So we need to find this value. We have written here question number 22. How many patients were treated with medicine types B and D only? Definite है तो हम question number भी लिख सकते हैं, because now we will not read these questions again, right? How many patients were treated with medicine types B and D only? B and D only, second of B and D, so this question number 23. Now we not read this question again. The number of patients who were treated with medicine type D was, right? The total D. Question number 24. So we know what we need to find out. Right, now let's start. This total is 250, total A. So we'll get the value of this, right? So this will be 35, 50, 85, 90, 110, 130, 40, 170, 50, 220. So this remaining will be 30. Right, next this total C is 210. So this 50 plus 90, 140, plus this 40, 180. So this combined is 30 as of now. Right, what all we have? We have total third region is 100. The third region is 20 plus 40, 60 plus 30, 90. So this remaining will be 10. So if this is 10, this will be 20. Right. Next, what else we can find out? All the values are done except this value, right? So total, this comes under second region, right? The total is 500, right? So this is 250, this is 250 plus 30 plus 20, 50, 300 plus 40, 340 plus 10, 350, right? This is 350. So remaining will be this value, right? Which is 150, right? Because y is 0. y के बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं थी, एंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस हैव डेफिनेट वैल्यूज. कहीं भी CBD नहीं दिया है, ऑप्शंस नहीं दिए, राइट? दैट्स is the reason also we need to consider y as 0. So we are done with this caselet.